Want to understand English faster without memorizing boring word lists? The secret isn't studying harder, it's listening smarter. In the next minutes, I'll show you how one simple story can unlock vocabulary, grammar, and natural pronunciation all at once. Ready? Let's dive in. 5 years ago, my life completely changed. 5 years ago, my life completely changed. ከ5 ዓመታት በፊት ሕይወቴ ሙሉ በሙሉ ተቀየረ. At the time, I was stressed and broken. At the time, I was stressed and broken. በወቅቱ ተጨንቄና ተሰብሬ ነበር. One evening, my mother came into my room. One evening, my mother came into my room. አንድ ምሽት እናቴ ክፍሌ ድረስ መጣች. She sat on the edge of my bed. She sat on the edge of my bed. አልጋዬ ጫፍ ላይ ተቀመጠች. Her hands were shaking uncontrollably. Her hands were shaking uncontrollably. እጆቿ በከፍተኛ ሁኔታ ይንቀጠቀጡ ነበር. Her eyes were filled with tears. Her eyes were filled with tears. አይኖቿም በእንባ ተሞልተው ነበር. My child, I have a secret, she said. My child, I have a secret, she said. ልጄ ሆይ ሚስጥር ይዣለሁ አለችኝ. Her voice was cracking deeply. Her voice was cracking deeply. ድምጿ በጣም ይቆራረጥ ነበር. A terrifying silence filled the room. A terrifying silence filled the room. በክፍሉ ውስጥ አስፈሪ ዝምታ ሰፈነ. It seemed like the air had stopped in the room. It seemed like the air had stopped in the room. የክፍሉ አየር ሁሉ የቆመ ይመስል ነበር. Then she said 5 words that shattered my world. Then she said 5 words that shattered my world. ከዚያም ዓለሜን ያፈራረሱ 5 ቃላትን ተናገረች. Holding my hands tightly, she said, I am not your mother. Holding my hands tightly, she said, I am not your mother. እጆቼን አጥብቃ በመያዝ እናትህ እኔ አይደለሁም አለችኝ. At that exact moment, my whole body went numb. At that exact moment, my whole body went numb. በዚያ ቅጽበት ሰውነቴ በሙሉ ደነዘዘ. A loud ringing echoed in my ears. A loud ringing echoed in my ears. በጆሮዬ ውስጥ ከፍተኛ ድምፅ አስተጋባ. I felt like my whole life was a lie. I felt like my whole life was a lie. ሕይወቴ በሙሉ ውሸት እንደነበር ተሰማኝ. How can this be? I asked her. How can this be? I asked her. እንዴት ሊሆን ይችላል ስል ጠየቅኳት. She then told me the real story from the past. She then told me the real story from the past. እሷም የድሮውን እውነተኛ ታሪክ ነገረችኝ. Hearing the truth, I sat alone for days. Hearing the truth, I sat alone for days. እውነቱን ስሰማ ለቀናት ብቻዬን ተቀመጥኩ. I started searching for myself all over again. I started searching for myself all over again. ራሴን እንደ አዲስ መፈለግ ጀመርኩ። I accepted the bitter truth to find my identity. I accepted the bitter truth to find my identity. ማንነቴን ለማወቅ መራራውን እውነት ተቀበልኩ። That single night altered the course of my life. That single night altered the course of my life. ያቺ ሌሊት የህይወቴን አቅጣጫ ቀየረችው። Even though the truth hurt, it set me free. Even though the truth hurt, it set me free. እውነቱ ቢጎዳኝም ነፃነትን ሰጠኝ። I had to learn how to rebuild everything from scratch. I had to learn how to rebuild everything from scratch. ሁሉንም ነገር ከባዶ እንዴት እንደገና መገንባት እንዳለብኝ መማር ነበረብኝ። My relationship with my past life would never be the same. My relationship with my past life would never be the same. ከቀደመው ህይወቴ ጋር ያለኝ ግንኙነት ዳግመኛ መቼም ተመሳሳይ አይሆንም። I was finally ready to face my true reality. I was finally ready to face my true reality. በመጨረሻም እውነተኛውን እውነታዬን ለመጋፈጥ ዝግጁ ሆንኩኝ። But in all of this chaos, I was deeply grateful for the mother who raised me. But in all of this chaos, I was deeply grateful for the mother who raised me. በዚህ ሁሉ ትርምስ ውስጥ ግን ስላሳደገችኝ እናቴ ከልቤ አመስጋኝ ነበርኩ። ይህንን ቪዲዮ ጠቃሚ ሆኖ ካገኛችሁት ላይክ፣ እንዲሁም ደግሞ የትኛውንም ማስተያየት ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ ማስቀመጥ፣ ለሚያስፈልጋቸው ሰዎች ሼር ማድረግ፣ እንዲሁም ደግሞ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። በተጨማሪም በአራቱም የእንግሊዘኛ ስኪሎች ራሳችሁን ማሻሻል የምትፈልጉ ሁሉ በምትመለከቱት ስልክ ቁጥር መደወል ትችላላችሁ። በምትፈልጉት ጊዜ በምትፈልጉት መንገድ እንግሊዘኛችሁን ለማሻሻል መርጣችሁ መማር ትችላላችሁ። በሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቪዲዮ እስከማገኛችሁ ድረስ መልካሙን ሁሉ እመኝላችኋለሁ። መልካም ጊዜ።